Hi guys, I'm Rupesh.
Hi guys, I'm Nipun.
Hi, this is Yash.
Hi, this is Pardeep.
Hello, this is Sanjot.
Hi, this is Amritpal.
For the EWB challenge, our group has decided to build a new water filtration process that will be both cheap and more effective than the one that currently exists in Bamboo.
Introduction to Bamboo. Bamboo is an emerging township in northwestern Cameroon. Population of Bamboo is approximately 50,000 people. Bamboo has fertile land, a mild tropical climate, and a very good place for industrious farming community. If we talk about Bamboo's infrastructure and education, it has good roads, schools, and colleges for study purposes where students seek education about agriculture, religion, and technology. If we talk about Bamboo's history, it has ruled by a lot of rulers, and Paramount Chief was the first ruler to rule this place. In one hand, bamboo is developing very fast, but on the other hand, it is also having a lot of problems in dairy farming, irrigation, clean water, and resource management.
Issues of bamboo water purification system. A present issue is experienced by the EWB is removing the sand and sediments that is being pumped into bamboo storage tanks. Cut and burning around the region of watershed likewise adds to contamination and tainting of the water supply. As sustainable cultivating practices continue inside the groups of encompassing the Taban watershed, the wellspring of bamboo water expand the level of sand and sediments is introduced in the water supply.
Our idea of a good and effective water filtration process. In order for a process to work at its best, we need a good source of pebble, sand, charcoal, and cloth. We will also need three 15,000 liter capacity tanks, which will be sitting on top of each other. The top tank will store all the impure water. In the middle tank, there will be a layer of pebble, sand, and charcoal. And cloth will be used to keep all materials apart from each other so that they don't get mixed up. And the bottom tank will store all the purified water. So as the water comes down from the top tank into the middle tank, the water will run through all the different layers that are set in the middle tank and will get itself purified, and all the purified water will be stored in the bottom tank.
The way we decided to aware the people of Bamboo about our project is by putting posters around in the markets and some busy streets of Bamboo. And we will also advertise our project in news channels, newspapers, and radio. After finishing up all of these methods, we will hire a truck or any other big vehicle and then we'll stop that truck in the busy market. And then we will talk about this new water filtration process so most of the people will get to know about our project.
Talking about merits, it is a cheap process. As we haven't used any chemical for this process, the raw material can be safely disposed. Priority for local materials is given in this process. Finally, the most important thing is that people can get suitable water to drink from this plant. Going through the disadvantages, people will be influenced to burn more firewood for the charcoal, as we are buying charcoal from local people. Although we have treated water by raw materials, bacteria from water isn't fully cleaned but suitable to drink. As the tank for storing unpure water is in height, it is hard to pour that water in tank.
As we know, the water found in bamboo is at its initial stage and not filtered enough to separate the dangerous bacteria. Our project will purify the water at its drinkable stage. This is a very cheap project but certainly an effective one. Many diseases that are caused by drinking water will be minimized. Our aim is to make the bamboo neat and clean and supply the community with the purified and germ-free water. In the end, me and my group members are happy to help the people of Bamboo and waiting for positive feedback from them. Thank you.